Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna review my 10-month used E4K action camera. So stay tuned. So this is my E4K action camera. I used this camera almost 10 months and there is no doubt it's still working very good. I love this device very much. This E4K action camera is called GoPro Killer because its price lower than the GoPro action camera with similar features. But one thing, E action camera needs a waterproof case which costs $14 or 1800 Bangladeshi taka. On the other hand, GoPro doesn't need any waterproof case. This action camera can capture 4K video at 30 fps and it can also shoot 12 megapixel still images. It has 155 degree wide angle lens and 2.19 inch touchscreen. You can shoot beautiful night time lapse with this camera. It has electronic image stabilizer which help you to stabilize your footage when you are shooting your video. Most of the video of my channel I shoot with this E4K action camera and I am really happy with this camera. So this is my small tech review on E4K action camera. Hope you guys like this video and please subscribe my channel for more video like this. Thanks for watching.